So tonight, punta akong Tagaytay City. Kasama ko ang aking asawa si Ivy sa pagpunta. Ready na ako. Jacket. Suot pa akong inner long sleeves para dito. Then, ready na ang aking backpack. Hindi masyadong kita dahil madilim dito sa bahay. Pero anyway, fit bar para may laman ng tiyan. Kung sakaling, may panglaman sa tiyan kung sakaling magutom. Pero anyway, ay pupunta ako naman kasama si Ivy sa Tagaytay is para mag food trip. So, ibang klaseng food trip. Night time. Well, minsan lang to, hindi naman lagi. Kaya, it's a good experience. So, yeah, let's go. Nakakain ko ng tikbak so that I have energy. Riding only motorcycle. So, hindi makakaantok kapag gutom. However, I don't have to be fully full kasi nakakantok din kapag busog. Tikbar would be enough. Tumula na yung trip. I will start this night ride. That's my wife, Ivy. Okay? So, I don't have to be there fast. My riding pace will be slow. Nga lang, problem, ngayong di pa kami naalis, nagfafag na yung aking glass dahil sa face mask. But, I think kapag dire-diretso na yung ride, pag naandar na, mawawala na rin to. So, for the meantime, bababa ko muna yung aking mask kasi naka half face lang ako. I don't think it's a bad idea naman to use half face. Mask lang ako para walang insect na pumasok sa aking ilong o kaya naman sa bibig. So yeah, ingat sa amin. Nga pala, by the way, I forgot to mention earlier, our starting location, Batangas City. So, currently, papunta na ako sa bayan dahil doon ako dadaan para sa National Highway o I would rather say Provincial Road papunta sa Tagaytay. Yeah. So, bayan-bayan. Touchdown! Okay, hindi ko alam kung anong lugar to pero touchdown somewhere near Tagaytay. And pagasolina lang kasi I'm almost empty. And at least yung ambience dito sa isang gasoline station is very cool. Kasi may tambayan talaga sila. Ambient lighting. So now what I will do is continue this ride, but first I will search I will search the location nung pupuntahan namin coffee shop panggabi. So yeah, yun muna gagawin ko for now. So browsing right now Google Maps because this is much better. The location where we are right now, near Nasugbu, and the location of where we are going is right. OMG. Right there. Sala Cafe at Kwentuhan. So, if I search for the direction, it's 16 minutes, not bad, and it's 11 kilometers. 11 kilometers of travel. So, not that far. So, yeah. We'll enjoy this ride na lang. So, ayun. Touchdown sa first location. Di Sala Cafe at Kwentuhan. Yun ang pangalan ng resto, di ba? Sala Cafe at Kwentuhan. Ayan o. Ito naman. Wait. Kasi ayokong i-settle down tong mic. Tignan mo naman. Ayan. Sala Cafe. Sala nga ba? Sala nga ba? Basa ba? Sala. Basa naman. So ayun, dito na magpapaumaga hanggang alas 3 or siguro mag-search pa ako ng ibang lugar na pwedeng puntahan dito sa Tagaytay ngayong magdamag. Pero hindi na para magbiyahe ng magbiyahe. 'Di ba? Sobrang gabi na. Kaya kung mag-i-stay dito, edi stay na lang dito. Time check. 12:06. Oh, midnight. 12:06. Siguro hanggang alas 3. Kung hanggang alas 3 man yung kapihang ito. Ayun. Pagkatapos dito, bahala na mamaya alas 3 kung saan mapadpad. Basta dito tatambay muna konting oras. This is our food tonight. Salted egg chicken wings and nachos, of course. So titipirin na namin to hanggang alas 3. We're leaving the Sala Cafe at Kwentuhan. We're going to another location tonight. Actually, today na tapat kasi this is another day na. It's already Sunday morning. Time check, it's already 2:40 a.m. and we're going to somewhere that is open 24 hours and that is McDonald's Tagaytay. Just arrived McDonald's. So dito na kami magpapaumaga siguro until 5 a.m. So here we are. May slight problem lang sa pwesto dito sa McDo. Apparently yung table upstairs is not available for hindi ko alam kung anong rason nila. Siguro uncontrollable kapag inopen nila yung mga seats upstairs considering na puro kabataan yung nandito. Tsaka puntahin talaga itong McDonald's na dito sa Tagaytay. Ito, inaantok na to. Pagod na. Ang importante hindi tayo naantok. Medyo dismayado lang. Pero grabe din naman. Ang dami pa rin naman tao kasi. Kahit na anong oras na? Alas 3 ng umaga. Ang daming tao. Alas 3. Siguro pagkatapos nila manggaling sa Starbucks dito napunta sa McDonald's. I think hindi dapat ito yung McDonald's na pinuntahan natin eh. Kasi may ibang pa McDonald's na bukas 24 hours. Pero anyway, ito yung magandang pwesto ng McDonald's dito. Hintayin na lang namin order. Number 158. Here's our food for today, tonight. Here. Cheeseburger, shake fries, and both of us got float. So yeah. Very unhealthy food for what do you call this, midnight snack? Or morning snack? Early morning snack? I don't know. Comfort food ba? And somehow it's enjoyable. Kahit na hindi siya pleasurable kasi fast food. Harap. Nice. I'm very sleepy. And since that we do not have any seats to sit on inside this McDonald's here in Tagaytay, so we settled here on the empty stairs right in front of the store. Ooh. I hit my elbow on the nosing of the stairs. Anyway, sakit. Sakit. So yeah, I guess mas mapapaagang uwi namin ngayon. Instead of 5 a.m. So baka malis kami ng 4:30 a.m. kasi wala na kami matambayan dito. Ano na tayong pariwara. Para na tayong pariwara. At least hindi tayo nagmumukhang mamalimos. Yes. Kaya, tok na. It's already 4:30 a.m. Pauwi na kami. We will go home now. She's sleepy. I am somewhat sleepy and yes. Huling kasunod na update sa bahay na. Lianag na. And actually I forgot to bring an update earlier nung nakarating kami dito sa bahay. Pero somewhat naris tayo nakarating. Around 7.
Yeah.
So
7 something.
So we arrived here at home around 7 a.m. So we actually had to stop kasi antok na talaga ako. Hindi ko na kayang mag-drive ng dire-diretso gamit ang motorsiklo. And we stopped somewhere makalampas ng Fantasy World. And yeah, I'm glad that we arrived safely. So that would be all